Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, and there is an extra $100 in your account.
Not from your job.
Not from lottery, but from a simple side hustle you did after work. Now think about this. $100 a day is $3,000 a month. For many people in the US, that can cover rent, groceries, or a big chunk of debt. But here's the problem. Most side hustle videos on YouTube are either scams or pure fantasy. They tell you to fill surveys for pennies, or they tell you to start a business that takes 5 years to grow. You have a 9 to 5. You are tired after work. You do not have time for games. You need something that is real and that fits your schedule. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 realistic side hustles you can start in the US. You can do them with no experience, working evenings or weekends. The target is clear. Get to $100 a day as fast as possible, and then use that money to buy your freedom. Stay with me till the end, because hustle number 6 and 7 are where real freedom starts. All right, let's start with the low-hanging fruit. These are side hustles. You can start literally tonight. They won't make you a millionaire, but they will get cash flowing fast. Number 1 is website and app testing. Big companies like Google, Adobe, and Facebook need to know if their websites are easy to use. They don't ask their engineers. They ask normal people like you, and they pay for it. Here is how it works. You sign up on platforms like User Testing or Userlytics. They send you a task, like, go to this website and find the checkout button. You record your screen and your voice while you do it. You just speak your thoughts out loud. Okay, I am looking for the button. It is hard to find. Oh, there it is. That is it. Tests usually take 10 to 20 minutes, and the pay is typically $10 per test. Do 2 or 3 of these in an evening, and you have made $30 while sitting on your couch. It is not passive, but it is the easiest money you will ever make online. Now let's level up. Hustle number 2 is drop servicing. You have heard of drop shipping, right? Selling products you don't touch? This is drop servicing. Selling services you don't do. Here's the strategy. Go to a freelance site like Upwork or Fiverr. Look for services that businesses always need. Logo design, video editing, writing blog posts. Let's say you find a client who needs a logo and is willing to pay $100. You take that job. Then you go to a different freelancer, maybe someone new who charges only $40. You pay them to design the logo. You take the finished logo, give it to your client, and you keep the $60 difference. You are the middleman. Your job is just to find the client and manage the quality. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to be a project manager. It scales perfectly because you are not trading your time for money, you are trading value. Now we move to the asset builders. This is where you stop trading time for money. You build something once, and it pays you forever. Hustle number 3 is selling digital products. This is the holy grail of high profit margins. If you sell a physical t-shirt, you have to pay for shipping, fabric, and printing. If you sell a digital PDF guide, your cost is 0. You can sell it 1,000,000 times, and it still costs you 0 to deliver. Here's what you do. You have a skill or knowledge that someone else wants. Maybe you know how to organize a budget. Maybe you know how to train a puppy. Maybe you have a list of healthy recipes. Package that knowledge into a simple PDF guide or an ebook. You can use free tools like Canva to make it look professional. Then you put it up for sale on Gumroad or Etsy for $10 or $20. You create a TikTok or an Instagram reel, giving a free tip from your guide. At the end of the video, you say, "Link in bio for the full guide." You do the work once, but every time someone clicks that link and buys, your phone dings with cash. You could be sleeping. You could be at your 9 to 5, and you are still making sales. That is an asset. Now let's talk about the skills that can completely change your income. Hustle number 4 is high-ticket closing. This is where you get paid big commissions for helping businesses close expensive deals. We are not talking about selling $10 t-shirts. We are talking about $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 offers. Here is how it works. Coaches, consultants, and online businesses run ads on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, People click those ads and book a call to learn more. But the business owner does not have time to talk to everyone, so they hire closers. Your job as a closer is simple. You get on a Zoom call with the lead. You ask smart questions. You understand their problems. Then you recommend the right program or service. If they sign up, you earn a commission. A common commission is 10 to 20%. So if you close a $2,000 program at 15%, that is $300 from one call. Close just one deal every 2 or 3 days, and you are way past $100 a day. Now you might be thinking, but I have no sales experience. That is okay. There are free YouTube channels and affordable courses that teach closing frameworks and objection handling. You practice your script. You role play with friends. You get better. Then you start applying. Look for a remote closer or appointment setter. Roles on job boards and in Facebook groups. You can also reach out directly to coaches and agencies who sell high-ticket programs. The beauty is, this is perfect for evenings. Most calls are scheduled. You can take them after your 9 to 5. And once you are good, you can move from appointment setter, lower commission, to closer, higher commission. This is not just a side hustle. This is a skill that can replace your job income if you take it seriously. Hustle number 5 is starting an AI automation agency. Right now, businesses are confused about AI. They know it can save them time and money, but they have no idea how to actually use it. That is where you come in. You do not need to be a programmer. You just need to understand how to connect simple AI tools to solve real problems. Here is what that looks like. A small business owner spends 2 hours a day replying to the same customer emails. You set up an AI system that drafts replies automatically. They only have to review and send. You just save them 40 hours a month. Or a real estate agent wants to post on social media every day but has no time. You use AI to generate content ideas, write captions, and schedule posts for the whole week. You just made their marketing consistent without them lifting a finger. Here is how to start. Step 1, learn the tools. Spend 1 or 2 weeks playing with AI tools like chatbots, email assistants, and automation platforms. Practice creating workflows. If someone fills out this form, send this email. If someone messages on Instagram, send this reply. Step 2, pick a niche. Dentists, real estate agents, local gyms, online coaches, anyone who gets leads and clients. The more specific you are, the easier it is to sell your service. Step 3, make a simple offer. For example, I help real estate agents save 10 hours a week by automating their emails and social media using AI. That is clear. That is valuable. Step 4, reach out. Make a list of 50 local businesses in your niche. Send them personalized emails or DMs. Hey, I noticed you are posting on Instagram, but probably doing it manually. I help business owners automate this with AI so they can save time and still grow. Want a free 15-minute audit? On the call, you do not pitch AI. You talk about their problems. How much time do you spend on this? What would it mean if you could get that time back? Then you offer a done-for-you setup for a fixed price. For example, $300 to $500 to set up their first automation. After that, you can charge a monthly retainer to maintain and optimize it. Close just one $500 client per week, and you are already beating $100 a day. And once you build a few systems, you can reuse the same templates for new clients. That is when it really starts to feel like leverage. Hustle number 6 is starting a YouTube cash cow channel. This is perfect if you do not want to show your face but still want to build real passive income. Here is the idea. Instead of vlogging your life, you create searchable videos around topics people are already looking for. Things like how to budget your first paycheck, best side hustles for beginners, 5 ways to save money fast. You write a simple script, record a voiceover, and use stock footage or screen recordings on top. No camera, no fancy studio, no showing your face. Here is why this works. YouTube is a search engine. A video you upload today can keep getting views for months or even years. Once your channel is monetized, those views can bring you ad revenue every single day. Here's how to start in a simple way. Step 1, pick a niche. Money tips, productivity, self-improvement, tech tools. Choose something you are interested in and can talk about for a long time. Step 2, study what is already working. Search your niche on YouTube. Look at the top videos from the last 6 to 12 months. Notice their titles, thumbnails, and video topics. You are not copying. You are modeling what works. Step 3. Make your first 10 videos. Keep them simple. A strong title, a clear script, and a clean voiceover. Use stock footage and text on screen to keep viewers engaged. At first, the views might be slow. That is normal. But as some videos start to rank and get recommended, you can wake up to views and money without posting every day. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you stay consistent for 6 to 12 months, this can become a real passive income asset that pays you long after the work is done. Hustle number 7 is simple investing. This is the side hustle most people ignore because it does not feel exciting. But this is the one that can quietly make you wealthy in the background while you live your life. Here is the idea. Instead of letting your money just sit in a bank account, you put a small part of what you earn into simple, long-term investments. Things like index funds or ETFs that track the stock market. You are not day trading. You are not gambling on meme coins. You are doing what boring rich people do. Here is how it connects to the other hustles we talked about. When you start making an extra $100 a day from user testing, drop servicing, closing AI, or YouTube, you do not want to spend all of it. You want to keep your lifestyle the same and invest a percentage. For example, if you make an extra $2,000 this month from side hustles and you invest $500 into a simple index fund every month for the next few years, you are giving your future self a massive gift. Because of compound growth, your money starts earning money. Then that money earns more money. Over 5, 10, 15 years, this can turn into tens of thousands of dollars. Now, quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. And if you can, talk to a licensed professional in your country. But the principle is simple. Use your side hustles to create extra cash flow, and use investing to slowly buy your freedom. That is how you move from, I need to work every day for money, to my money is now working for me. In a second, I am going to quickly recap all 7 side hustles, and then share how I would combine them if I were starting from scratch with a 9-to-5 job in the US. So stay with me for this final part, because this is where everything comes together. Let's quickly recap the 7 side hustles that can help you make $100 a day in the US, even if you have a 9-to-5 job. Number 1, user testing. Get paid to give feedback on apps, websites, and products in your spare time. Number 2, drop servicing. You sell a service like video editing or thumbnail design and pay a freelancer to do the work while you keep the profit. Number 3, digital products. Create once, sell many times. Things like templates, checklists, or simple guides that solve a specific problem. Number 4, high-ticket closing. You help businesses close high-value deals over the phone or on Zoom, and you earn a commission for every sale. Number 5, AI automation agency. You set up simple AI systems for businesses to save them time on emails, social media, and repetitive tasks. Number 6, YouTube cash cow channel. You create faceless, searchable videos that can keep bringing in views and ad revenue long after you upload. Number 7, simple investing. You take the extra money from your side hustles and slowly invest it, so your money starts working for you. At the same time, I would start a YouTube cash cow channel in a niche I enjoy. No pressure, just one good video per week. This is my long-term asset, and from the very first dollar I earn from side hustles, I would start investing a small percentage every month, even if it is only $50 or $100, because that habit matters more than the amount in the beginning. If you follow a plan like this, here is what can happen. In the short term, you cover your bills, pay off debt faster, and stop stressing about every expense. In the long term, you build skills, systems, and investments that can buy your freedom. Now here's the most important part. None of this works if you just keep watching videos and never take action. So here's your challenge. Tonight, before you go to bed, pick one hustle from this video, just one, and take the first step. Sign up for a user testing site, make a simple drop servicing offer, reach out to one potential client, outline your first YouTube video, or open an account where you can start investing with small amounts. Do not try to do all 7 at once. Pick one, commit for 30 days, and see what happens. If you want me to make a step-by-step video on any one of these hustles, tell me in the comments which number you want a full tutorial on next. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video so more people can see it, subscribe to the channel for more realistic money and freedom tips, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, you do not need permission from anyone to change your financial life. You just need one decision and consistent action. I will see you in the next video.